Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up assistant menu shortcut using our volume up and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this button shortcut, we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and here we have advanced settings. At the top we have a few buttons combinations, but we are interested right now in side and volume up buttons. So we are looking for our assistant menu. Right now we have universal switch here. Let's turn it off and let's assign assistant menu button. Yes, allow. And let's see if it's working. So side button and volume up button at the same time. And as you can see, our button appeared right here. Shortcut is working. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.